Good morning dear students. I am Maheshpuri Goswami, your SS teacher. Today we are going to start our SS class with chapter 2 latitude and longitude. In previous chapter you already studied about the importance of direction, how directions play an important role for finding a place on map or on a globe. Here we will talk about important imaginary lines like latitudes and longitudes. Many imaginary lines are also drawn on map on globe. We can say that two type of imaginary lines are there, which runs to north to south is known as longitude, and which imaginary lines runs to east to west is known as latitude. Two types of imaginary lines are there. At first we will talk about latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary lines that run from east to west. Latitude runs from east to west, like this position, from here to here. This one is your east, this one is your west, and this is already marked now, and this one is south. So we can say that latitudes are imaginary lines that runs from east to west, and the distance between latitudes is equal. Distance between every latitude is always equal, so they are also called the parallels of latitude. An important thing is mentioned here, which latitude divide the earth into two halves like northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere is known as equator. It is very important for you. It is known as 0 degree latitude also. If anyone asks you which equator divides earth into two hemispheres, northern and southern, then you can easily say that that's equator, and it is also known as 0 degree latitude. Now dear students, we will talk about special latitudes. Many special latitudes are also there. If we talk about special latitude, then we can say that at first we already know that 0 degree latitude is known as equator. If we move outside of that, then 23.5 degree north is known as Tropic of Cancer. If we up forward more, then 66.5 degree is known as Arctic Circle, and upside part is known as North Pole. Now we will move at bottom. Downside of 0 degree is known as 23.5 degree south is known as Tropic of Capricorn, and 66.5 degree south is known as Antarctic Circle, and downside bottom part is known as South Pole. Again I want to revise it. Latitudes are imaginary lines that run from east to west. Distance between every latitude is always equal, so they are known as parallels of latitude. And most important latitude is here 0 degree, which divides earth into two hemispheres, northern and southern. It is known as 0 degree latitude also. Now we will talk about important latitudes. Then if we start from middle one, then 0 degree latitude is known as equator. 23.5 degree north is known as Tropic of Cancer. 66.5 degree north and known as Arctic Circle, and upside of part that is known as North Pole, and downside of that part is known as South Pole. If we move downside of 0 degree latitude, then 23.5 degree south is known as Tropic of Capricorn, and 66.5 degree is known as Antarctic Circle. It's all about latitudes. Now we will talk about longitudes. Now students, we will talk about longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to South Pole. Already we discussed at first about that thing. Longitudes run from North Pole to South Pole. These lines are not parallel to each other. At first we talk about latitude, then latitudes are parallel to each other, but longitudes are not parallel to each other, and these lines called the meridians of longitude. After that, the meridian which passes through Greenwich in London is known as prime or Greenwich meridian, and known as 0 degree meridian also, because it divides the earth into two hemispheres, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Prime meridian divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere. Meridians located at eastern indicated degree east. Means if we talk about the prime meridians eastern parts, and that type of meridians is known as degree east meridians, and whichever in west part of the prime meridian is known as degree west meridian. Now we will talk about features of meridians. Then first feature of meridian is here, all meridians are equal in length. If we are going to talk about the length of meridian, then length of every meridian is equal. Second, the distance between meridians is maximum at the equator. If we talk about the maximum distance of meridians, then it's at equator. Now, third, if we talk about the distance between two meridians is minimum. If we talk about minimum distance between two meridians, then it is at poles. It's about features of meridians. First is all meridians are equal in length. Distance between meridians is maximum at equator. Distance between two meridians decreases at the poles. Now we will talk about world grid. Dear students, if we are going to talk about world grid, then at first I already discussed about latitude and longitude. Now we will at first draw the globe. It is the position of your latitude, and this is the position of your longitude. Like that, this is your 0 degree equator. After that we can say that it is 15 degree, 30, 35, like that. It's completely like a grid. Here we can watch that it is completely like a grid. If you want to find any place on globe, then you want a proper knowledge of grid place like that. What is the position of that place like? After that, you have to find that place like 30 degrees is there, then 30 degrees is here, then this is about 30 degrees. After that, 45 degree north, then north side is here, 15, 30 and 45, then this one is here, then you can easily find it here only. This place is located between this point. This is known as world grid. In this chapter, we already studied latitude, longitude. Once again, I want to remind you, imaginary lines that run from east to west is known as latitude. Imaginary lines that runs from north to south is known as longitude. 0 degree equator divides earth into north and south, and 0 degree prime meridian divides earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It's all about latitude and longitude. Thank you.